wanted to create a device that will give civil aviation pilots situational awareness.
4,000, expect an auxiliary runway 1.
Oh, there we go.
Direct to the Gold Coast, 5 position.
Without them having to really think about it.
First officer.
Captain?
Here where we are in an F111. Today we're going to be talking about a design with the HUD system. Basically, with our design, if you cannot see an aircraft, whether it be over wing, under the wing, or in any part of the fuselage of your aircraft, our device will basically show you where the device or the plane will be located through some colouring. Green would be perfectly fine and you'd be able to see it. It's a lot like this actually, only a lot more smaller and can be fit onto any of your headset displays.
So how does the device orientate its position in 3D space? Low-powered infrared cameras located in the cockpit track head movement, which allows the device to position itself.
So with the AI sensors that we'll place on the headset, we'll probably place them in certain locations around the cockpit. So maybe one here and one here, just to track head movement, so we get an accurate position of where everything is.
This thing performs really, really well.
So what are the specifications for this device?
So this is what the device will actually look like. First we have a single sheet of glass. Then we have an OLED display at the back here, which projects green circles onto the glass, which reflects back into our eyes, giving us a view like this. These green circles indicate aircraft that are relative to us in the sky, with the biggest circle being the aircraft that is closest to us and the smallest being one that's furthest away. Now say for example there's an aircraft up and to the left of you. It's obstructed by either a wing or maybe there's fog, so you can't see it. But you know that the aircraft is there because it will be in one of these circles. This gives pilots an opportunity to focus on more important things like flying the plane, communicating to air traffic control, and navigating. Like all heads-up displays, this device will be focused at infinity, so you won't keep having to readjust between the device and the view outside. Over here we have a big lithium-ion battery with a universal headset clip that can attach to any headset like Bose, David Clark, Lightspeed, anything. This gives general aviation pilots great accessibility to this product. Then we have a micro USB port which charges the device and sends data between it and your smartphone.
We have an accompanying app that will take ADS-B data from Flight Radar 24 and process it so it's converted into a visual 360-degree format. The app also takes the tracking data from the IR sensors. The device will have a physical connection to the smartphone using the mini USB cable, and in case of a low battery you can plug it into the aircraft's cigarette lighter.
How does it work? ADS-B technology. This is a little device which broadcasts to radar systems. It broadcasts your altitude and GPS position in 3D space, as well as broadcasting it to air traffic controllers, other aircraft and other radar services. This means on a 2D map you can spot other aircraft in your vicinity that you may not be able to see visually. This can be viewed in apps on your phone, such as Flight Radar 24. However, a special feature it possesses is augmented reality. This means you can point your phone in any direction and be able to spot an aircraft, even if you can't see it.
We hope this device will help improve the general aviation industry
by helping pilots try and visualize air traffic.
After all, more than half the world's aircraft falls under the general aviation category.
Like the one we're in now.
It's traffic awareness like you've never seen it before, and we call it Sky Vision.